Alright, this is my top 3. I don't care. Susanna just won Miss Universe Spain the other day, and she was one of my favorites at Miss Grand International. And to see her in the list with Sophia and Bea, like I said in previous videos, these are my girls to look out for. And it's sticking. I don't give a fuck. Like I've been said, Bea and Sophia are girls that I just feel that, oh, okay, that Miss Universe aura, that, oh, okay, let's see how this goes. And I've always been a fan of Susanna, so this is my top 3, my girls to look out for, period.
So napanood nyo mga kapolitika itong video clip ng isang pageant vlogger kung saan ay pasok po at this point in time itong si Bea Milan dito sa possible top 3 ng Miss Universe 2026 na ganapin sa Puerto Rico. So in this video is usapang Miss Universe po tayo dahil inilabas na po ang official na date ng Miss Universe 2026 na gagawin sa nasabing bansa sa Latin America. At in fact, ang date ngayon base dito sa ating information ay sa November 24, 2026 ang finale ng MU para ngayong taon. So sabi dito mga kapolitika ay dalawang pageant yung maganap sa November 24 na finals. Ito yung Miss International dito sa Japan, and then Miss Universe naman sa umaga. So gabi yung Miss International na finals, and then sa umaga yung finals naman sa Miss Universe 2026. At may posibilidad rin talaga na baka mag back to back ang Philippines kung patas lang ang maging laban dito sa Miss Universe, dahil nga sinasabi natin noon pa na malakas rin ang ating laban dito sa Miss International sa katauhan ni Katrina Johnson. So siya talaga yung prototype ng Miss International, kung kaya masabi natin na malakas ang laban ni Katrina dito sa Miss International, dahil ilang taon na rin po ang nakakalipas nang manalo ang ating bansa dito sa mailap na corona ng Miss International. I believe na isang dekada na ang nakakalipas matapos na manalo tayo dito sa nasabing beauty pageant competition. So I believe it's high time na para sa Pilipinas sa corona para sa competition na ito. At dito naman sa Miss Universe ay almost 1 decade na rin po ang nakalilipas matapos na koronahan itong si Catriona Gray sa Miss Universe 2018. So hindi natin alam ang mga mangyayari, pero we are hoping mga kapolitika for the best na masusungkit natin ang mailap na corona dito sa dalawang beauty pageant competition na ito. Okay, kasi talagang napakalakas ng laban ngayon ni Bea Milan dito sa Miss Universe. So ang mga pageant schedule ngayon dito base sa ating nakita at nabasa ay sa Miss Supranational yung July 31, 2026 na finals. Ang Miss World naman is sa September 5, 2026 na ganapin sa bansang Vietnam. Ang sa October 2026 is Miss Grand International sa India naman po ito. Ang Miss Earth 2026 coronation is November 14, 2026 sa Pilipinas. Miss Universe 2026 coronation November 24. At sa Puerto Rico ito gaganapin. Itong Miss International naman is sa Japan November 25, 2026. So yung Miss Universe is November 24, pero sa ating bansa is November 25 na po. So parehong araw yan ng Miss International na gaganapin dito sa bansang Japan. At yung schedule naman po sa Miss Universe ay November 3 until November 6 yung kailang delegate arrival and registration. Estimated general schedule, sponsor, shoot, and choreography rehearsal November 7 to November 20, 2026. National Costume Show November 21, 2026. Preliminary competition ay November 22 at November 24 yung finals nila dito sa beauty pageant competition ng Miss Universe na gaganapin sa bansang Puerto Rico. So ayon po dito sa isang pageant vlogger ay nasa top 3 possibility na makapasok itong si Bea Milan, kasama itong si Spain, si Susana Medina na sumali last year dito sa Miss Grand International 2026, at itong taga El Salvador. Ito yung top 3 nitong pageant vlogger na napanood natin sa first part of this video. Okay, so far mga kapolitika, yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Ano po ang inyong masabi? Posible kaya na makapasok si Bea Milan dito sa top 3 ng Miss Universe 2026? mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
So the first step that can sometimes be the most difficult is just to learn how to stand. So for this part, you'll want to make sure your shoulders are really pushed back, you're standing as tall as you can, and also that you're holding your abs in. And then we also have something called the T-pose. So your back leg is turned out, and then you put your front foot vertical right in the middle. And then next is how to twist. So sometimes girls will just simply shift the T-pose. So the front foot going horizontal and the back foot going vertical now. So you can twist like this. But typically, because the nerves could sometimes get to you, what I do instead is this front foot, I step and then turn because it helps with the balance. And then next, what you'll want to remember with your strides is to keep your knees locked and straight. This was the biggest transformation for me, making sure that I had a winning walk, because it just looks aesthetically more pleasing when your legs are completely straight. And then once you get the hang of that, you can also put in some hip movement. And then if you want to walk for swimsuit, make sure it's a bit faster. But then for evening gown, slow it down because it's all about elegance and grace in the face of pressure. Something I'm still working on is arm and hand movement. For me, I carry a lot of tension in my hands, and you could even see it during my Miss Universe Philippines performance. My hand sometimes looks like a claw because that's where I put all the nerves. So for me, I try to shake out my hands, make sure my arms are swinging like a pendulum, and then that just helps accentuate your walk even further. And that's Pasarela 101. I'm Bea Milian Windorski, and I'm your next Miss Universe.